How to send snaps on Snapchat without media upload. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you step by step that how you can send a snap on Snapchat without media upload. So let's dive in. First, you have to open your Snapchat account and you can see this arrow over here. If you click it, you'll get an option that says media upload. Now you don't want to send a snap with that media upload, so it shows the media upload option over here. So what you can do is you simply have to just go to the filters, and here you have to click this magnifier over here on the bottom right corner, and now you simply have to search for the option that says camera roll upload. And then once you search for this, you can see you get many options over here, and I'm going to select this first one. You can choose any that you like. So now here you can see I have many options over here that I can choose from. I'm going to select this picture over here, and I'm going to click this icon over here that says the capture one. And once you capture this picture, you can now send it to your friends by clicking send to. And now you can just send it to your friends, and then you'll be able to send it without the media upload option. And that's how you do it.